Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have been doing great. Today I'm going to be making oha soup. I know I have several oha soup on my channel, but today is going to be cooked with me. Yeah, I don't have soup and I crave for oha soup, so I will appreciate if you stay with me and see how I made this delicious soup. Okay, so guys, I want to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you. I see all of you coming in, all my new subscribers. I want to say a huge thank you to each and every one of you. I am so grateful. I can't thank you guys enough. You all are the reason why I'm doing what I'm doing, and I'm so pleased that every time I curate any content, you guys come to watch. I want to say thank you to my old subscribers. And may God bless you all mightily. Making like Okazi soup with oha and also I'm trying to add like 3 vegetables. So this is what I do. I used to have like grilled chicken and some like different kind of proteins, and I'll just put it in my freezer, maybe from what I have left, maybe from what I have cooked previously or prepped. So I like to just prep my meat and put in the freezer. Whenever I don't have soup, I can quickly make very fast soup. All right, so that's what I'm about to do also. I'm also going to be adding all of these. I have some stockfish in here, different type of protein actually here. So yep, this is how I like to get things ready. Like this is it. I have stockfish here. I'm going to add dried fish, but honestly, this is me making soup. I like. So I'm going to go ahead and debone this fish nicely. Make sure I wash it with salt and hot water. Then I'll add it to the soup. I'm going to add it to the pot. Add your fish. I'm going to blend my scotch bonnet peppers and my crayfish. Here's my blend. I'll add it to the pot. I added some red peppers. You can also add your dried pepper if that's what you have. I'm going to add oil here. For thickener, you can also use COCOYAM if you have COCOYAM. I'm going to be using achi and ofo for my thickening. For my thickener rather, oyibo. This is my achi. Do you know this? Do you know this thickener? This is apurata. I'm going to search it up and let you see it sometime in any of my videos, but this is Enugu soup thickener. If you are my Enugu subscribers, if you are here and you are an Enugu viewer, I'm sure you know what apurata is. So this is apurata. So I added 3 thickeners. This soup is going to be very delicious. I'm going to mix this together. I'm going to stir it together. How is it looking already? You can add onugu. You can add uziza. I'm going to be adding 3 vegetables here. Oha leaf, uziza leaf, and I'll be adding some okazi leaf. Yes. I'm going to be adding ogiri to this soup also. What are you doing without ogiri in this kind of soup? It's very beautiful. Those 3 thickeners are powerful thickeners for our Nigerian Igbo community native soup. It's always very delicious when you have them in your soup. I'm going to add my ogiri Igbo. I'm going to be using uziza and oda. I'll blend this together. This is the key ingredients. The secret of this soup is uziza and that ogiri. If you don't have it, well, that's fine. I have some kpomo. We call this kanda, beef skin. I'm going to add it also. Cover it up. I'm going to be adding periwinkle to this soup. You can also add snail. Yes, your soup will come out very delicious. Guys, look at how pretty this soup is looking. and that is how delicious it is. So I'm adding uziza leaf. I added a little oha. Guys, I'm adding dried leaf because that's what I have. And yeah, I'm using what I have. Alright, so if you have fresh uziza leaf, that's beautiful. If you have fresh oha leaf, that's beautiful. I have crave for oha, and I just want to support it with Okazi. But this is oha and uziza leaf right here. But I'm going to be supporting it with Okazi. 3 leaves, 3 different soup thickeners. Remember, I use 3 different soup thickeners. Okay? So here is my Okazi. I'm going to add it in. This is a very special soup for your family. Go ahead and try it. Let me know in the comment section if you have used Akurata thickener. Akurata thickener is from the Enugu family. Okay, if you have used it, drop it on the comment section and I'll be glad to see. I'm going to add a little bit of Maggi. If you see, I never added Maggi or salt because of my protein was well seasoned. So I like to go about my food that way. Then I come back to check if I had to add seasoning, I add seasoning. If you have found this video interesting, please give it a like, share to your friends and loved ones. Please do me a favor by giving this video a thumbs up, please. Your thumbs up is free of charge, so why are you holding it? Please give this video a massive thumbs up. Recommend this video to your friends and loved ones so they can learn how to make this quick, delicious Oha. Children loves it also. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to get notified anytime we post.